Pardon the fan noise, guys, but it is hot one. We're almost at 100 degrees. Today I got the XJ up on the lift because we are doing a booty swap. That's right. Check this out. Ford 8.8. Same one I picked from the junkyard in the previous video. This guy has 410 gear ratios, got disc brakes, and just an overall beefier axle compared to this rinky dinky. Oh man, look at this thing. This tiny little, I think it's a Dana 35. Yeah, it is. And it is just not great. I've already done some prep work. I've done a bunch of grinding, plasma cutting down here. Gotten rid of the perches, got it nice and smooth. No sense in watching me do that for a million years. Now we're going to loosen the bolts and drop this axle out real quick. So stay tuned. What do you think, guys? I think this is the lift I want to do. Yeah, I want to get springs that go all the way down to there. Ha! No. So, got her down, got her out, but I have one more thing I need to do before I put this guy back in. And that is fix these leaf springs. If you look right here, this leaf spring perch right here, she no good. Got to get those resolved. They both look like that, so let's get cracking. I don't think I was exaggerating when I said this thing was gone. Look, the bushing's almost an inch outside of where it's supposed to be. Not only that, if you look through there, you can see daylight. All the way around the pin. That's no good. Same thing with that one over there. And it ain't gonna work! I think I'm gonna have to pull this one off. Yeah. Plumb bolts are here. Okay, here's my setup. I had to go to the shop press and get a socket wedged right in there. I've already got her coming out. Don't know if you can see, probably too dark, but it's working its way out. So let's see if we can't get this thing to fall out. Easy. Here it goes. Watch the floor. Kabing! Sweet! See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya. That's good enough for me. Not the greatest execution, but that'll do. So I'm using the Iron Rock Off-Road XJ 8.8 install kit, and it comes with these brackets that are pre-made, and they fit nicely on here once you grind all of the bull crap out of the way. Then I've also got the instructions here, and they tell me that I want my pinion to be at 10 degrees, and then my perches will be sitting at 0 with the pinion at 12. So I just need to measure the correct distance off the backing plate and tack them on. I don't even have to mess with it up on the car. So do some couple tacks and test to make sure it looks good. And we'll see. I'll give you that measurement right now, what that's supposed to be. So we've got 10 degrees and 3 and 11/16 from the backing plate or the flange to the edge of the bracket. So let's get her tacked. Here's my yoke adapter that I have to adapt this front drive shaft that's now being used as a rear drive shaft to this Ford 8.8. So I just need to take the end caps off and fish this thing on. I'm gonna try and do it without taking the drive shaft off the car, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to. So, you know, see if I can't get lucky. Stupid fucking dogs. Shut up! I cannot get anything. Somebody pull it out. My mom's walking in. Dogs are barking. Neighbor's going out to her truck. Can't do it. I can't film. I should just take my Jeep back to the shop. Why is it at my parents' house? I don't know. What's the point of this thing? Why are we even here? Does God even exist? What are you doing? I gotta do a wrap-up video for my thing. I need perfection. Okay, let's try that again. Okay guys, different look. Snow on the ground, not hot. That's because this footage was shot about 8 months after the previous footage. That's right, I have 2 kids under the age of 3, and it makes it very hard to film, post, and edit content. So I'm here now. That's all that matters. So I wanted to give you guys some of the key points on this build and just kind of wrap it up. Now my rig is a 1995 Jeep Cherokee XJ, and the rig that I pulled the Ford 8.8 out of is a 1995 Ford Explorer, 4-wheel drive with a V8 engine. Now the biggest, most important part when you're doing this swap is you need to focus on getting an axle from a second generation Explorer, 1995 to 2001. If you get a third generation Explorer, they come equipped with independent rear suspension. Now, I want to just tell you how much I love this axle. The biggest thing that makes me fall so madly in love with it is that it only cost $185, and it gave me some crucial upgrades that I had to pay almost nothing for. Namely, disc brakes. That's right, my Dana 35 had crappy drum brakes that were adequate at best. The other super awesome upgrade I get from this is a much stronger axle. The axle housing itself is a lot thicker, the axle shafts are a lot thicker, and not only that, the aftermarket support for the 48.8 is massive. 410 gears paired with the 410 gears that I replaced in the Dana 30 up in the front, amazing. I love it. It's a perfect combo for the 33-inch tires I'm rocking, and I literally have no complaints about this. The Iron Rock Off-Road axle swap kit was perfect. The instructions were simple to follow, easy to put in, loved them. Here you can see the adapter that I used to go from the Ford 8.8 flange to the Jeep Cherokee front drive shaft. This makes it really simple, and you don't have to really mess around with anything. You can also see my Bilstein shocks that I'm running. Don't remember the part number on them. I'll post it on the screen in a second. I like them. I don't love them. They're good, but I wish they were softer, and that probably is related to my shackle angle in the back, which I'll address in a couple seconds. But overall, I love the way this swap went. It was just awesome. I think really the only thing left to do is adjust my shackle angle. These leaf spring shackles are actually catching right here on the unibody, so I think I just need to kind of either buy some new ones, some boomerang ones that are a little longer and clear that better, or make my own. Homies, thanks for watching the video. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So please tap the like button, subscribe, and keep up with all the cool stuff we got going on at Hood Rats. We are only 190 subscribers away from 1,000, so please continue to support us and enjoy all this awesome content we have. Peace out!